What's up everyone, Alessandro here. Now that we have this big crypto FOMO kicking in and Bitcoin is creating new all-time highs, we are seeing a big trend again on those Pump.Fun meme coins. And there is not only their own token that is about to launch here, for example, on Maxi Global. You can also participate on the launch with the link in the video description. We have, of course, also major updates for Autosnipe. This is the #1 trading bot and tool for Pump.Fun coins, guys. And if you want to get access to it, use the link in the video description to get also some discounts on the trading fees forever. So if you scroll down, you see here Pump.Fun Solana trading bot. This is the Autosnipe link that will be basically activating your fee deduction if you use my sign up link here over on Autosnipe. You can trade basically all those Pump.Fun coins in a very easy and simple way. And also you have different AI tools here that are basically detecting if there is a scam or a rug pull or anything there. So if it's a high risk, then of course here you're gonna see it directly here on Autosnipe. We have different new tools, guys, and if you watch my previous videos about Autosnipe, you should know already that this is the most powerful tool to trade those Pump.Fun coins. So use the link in the video description to get to Autosnipe, this #1 trading bot for Pump.Fun coins. And now I'm back with another update video because we have some fresh updates on this one here, and it's getting stronger and better, and you definitely don't want to miss it out, because right now we are seeing again a big trend around those Pump.Fun meme coins. And remember, guys, if you're trading here on Autosnipe or Pump.Fun, or if you're participating on Maxi Global here on this launch of this token, the link is of course also here in the video description for Maxi Global Exchange to be participating on this event. Then make sure that you know that this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is only my own opinion. I'm sharing everything with you. I'm just a YouTube guy here on YouTube because I'm just sharing everything that I'm trading, what I'm buying, what I'm doing here in the crypto space with you guys. So always do your own research, but I think that Autosnipe is the best tool out there, and you can just top up some Solana or connect your DeFi wallet with this platform and directly trade on Pump.Fun through this tool here. So it's kind of a layer 2. And just a quick recap what Autosnipe is, of course, because Autosnipe it lets you basically snipe newly launched coins instantly, track smart wallets, and avoid scams as well in real time. So it's fast, secure, and built for serious on-chain users, because you know that on Pump.Fun we have every second new coins coming up, and here you get basically like a filter that shows you which one are really trending, which one here, thanks also to Meme Vision, are newly created, graduating or graduated, and so on. And if there is a rug pull or a meme, a scam warning or something like that, then of course you will be warned here directly. And now on this new update, we have also this private key trading support, which is new. You can now connect Snipe directly using your private key here and giving you full control as well. It's your key, it's your wallet, so you feel secure and safe while making fast moves. Then we also have this take profit tool. Set your profit targets basically and let Autosnipe handle the exit directly. So no need to sit always here and monitor the charts basically. So you can now also do the take profit as well directly here on the dashboard basically. So if you are planning to take there some profits, you can basically directly put that in here, so you don't always have to sit and watch the charts all the time. This is of course making you saving a lot of time as well. So new token pairs also are supported, so more pairs means also more opportunities, so you're covered across the latest launches. Radium Launch Lab integration we also have now, so full support for Radium's Launch Lab tokens as well. So Sniper basically is ready for that, and you can browse through all the tools basically here on the left side through all the different tools here. So for example, also here the AI snipers, copy trading, trader lens, and so on. Then also we have the dynamic bonding curve handling, so auto adjust based on dynamic pricing models, perfect for those tricky launches of course. And then also Meteora ICM pair sniping. Yes, you can now also snipe ICM pairs directly via Meteora, so another big win. But the key features, of course, that still rocks and are of course important are the smart wallet tracking, rug filters powered by AI, Telegram alerts, gas optimization, and also cross-platform support. And I've tested it, all those new features, and also a few recent launches as well. The private key option made the entries, of course, super fast. Also loved how smooth it worked with Meteora and Radium projects as well. And that's why here on Autosnipe you really have still the best tool here for those Pump.Fun Pump.Fun meme coins. So sign up right now with the link in the video description, guys, because like that you're gonna have a deduction on the fees. I think like 40%, if I'm not wrong. And if you have already used it before, then of course it's time now to jump back in, because they are hyping, they are pumping again, and the hype is back basically on those Pump.Fun coins, also driven of course by the launch of their own native token as well, next to all those new meme coins that are coming out. And this is the most exciting time of the bull run, guys. Whenever Bitcoin is entering towards the end of the bull cycle, we're gonna see the most parabolic run up, and this is of course bringing a lot of opportunities here. Of course, no promises, nothing, guys. It's just my own opinion and my own experiences that I have here since 2017 that I'm here in the crypto market, and for sure Autosnipe is the #1 for those Pump.Fun coins. So these updates are built for sharper entries, guys, better exits and stronger profits, also saving you a lot of time. Links below, guys. So let's snipe smart, and let me know how is your experience so far with Autosnipe. I'm very happy with it. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned, be subscribed, I keep you updated of course, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.